How to search the library's collections EBSCO Discovery Service, quick version. Let's start at the Manuel Library website. Simply type in your search in the search bar and click Search to get started. Let's do a keyword search for Revelation. All you need to do after typing in your search terms is hit search. Remember that this will not search the following 3 databases: ProQuest Dissertations and Theses, Trend Dissertations and Theses, and Galaxy Theological Journals. If you would like to know how to search in these databases, check out our other tutorials. Here is what the catalog search results page will look like. Let's walk through some of the features together. First, let's take a look at the sidebar that is called Refine Results. You can limit your search by different collections, online full text, physical, both, or no limiters. If you wish to use no limiters in this area, simply uncheck the box Online full text or in physical collection. This will help you to see all the relevant results even if we do not have full text access. Don't worry, if you find a result that you need to use, you can explore open access options, public libraries, or submit a form for an interlibrary loan, where we borrow the item from another library on your behalf. You can also limit your search by publication date, source type, subject, language, database, and more. Many users like to search within particular databases. When you click on this option, a drop-down menu will show you different databases you can select to see the search results from. Click Show More to see all the databases. It will look like this. You can click Name and it will sort the databases alphabetically. The same is true for the hit count. Then you can scroll through to find the database you want to limit your results to. When you've selected the databases you want results from, just hit Update. This will only apply to what you have already searched. If you change your search terms, this and other limiters except publication date and collection will reset. From the results page, you can see that the results have options to get an electronic full-text version of the item, and we also have physical copies. Sometimes getting the electronic version can take more steps. In this example, you need only click on PDF full text or EPUB full text, and you'll get access. These are links to our scanning and shipping services for this item. If you live 45 minutes away from campus and want one of our physical items, you can request it to be shipped to you, or we can scan portions to send to you. This link will take you to our interlibrary loan form. All you do is fill it out and submit it, and we will get to work trying to borrow it from another library on your behalf. You may notice that some entries have these links, or something similar. Sometimes it will take you right to the full text, or other times you need to click a few more times to get access to the full text. Sometimes it may not be accessed through us as a full text. If this is the case, then there are other options you can explore, including some we just talked about. Just know that it may take 1 to 3 more steps to get full access. Thank you for watching the Manuel Library's tutorial on how to search the library's collection, quick version. We hope this information was helpful to you. We know you may want to know more about searching in the collections, so check out our other videos. If you need any help or have any questions, please feel free to email us at library@piedmontu.edu or call us at 336 714-7894.